Many thanks for staying with us. The news continues in northeast Nigeria, where a young public administration student of the College of Administration and Management Technology, Potiskum, Yobe State, has invented an electric water pump specifically designed for irrigation purposes. The intervention is aimed at allowing farmers to efficiently water their crops without relying on traditional and labor-intensive methods. Umaru Kirawa reports.
With the growing challenge posed by climate change, particularly on the shores of Lake Chad, communities have continued to experience shortage in rainfall and complete change in rainfall pattern. With that, food security seems to be threatened, and hence the need to embrace wet season farming. Another challenge is the Nigerian government policy on petrol subsidy. The removal had replicating effects on price of petrol, and now farmers find it difficult to cope with their gasoline water pumps. Adamu Ali, a final year diploma student at the College of Administration and Management Technology, Potiskum, developed an electric water pump.
The
electric water pump is designed to be affordable, easy to operate, and energy efficient. It runs on charging by electric or solar power, eliminating the need for fuel, making it an ideal solution for remote farming communities.
The young Adamu also invented smoke detector. It works by sensing smoke particles in the air and emitting an audible alarm. It aims to provide early warning signs of a fire outbreak, enabling swift evacuation procedures and timely intervention by firefighting professionals.
Duba ne game da yadda za a samu sauki yadda kuma za a kawo sauki a wannan jihar tamu ko kuma in ce wannan kasar tamu gaba daya.
All these efforts are geared towards creating easy means of living and discourage importation of technology which we can produce here in our country with adequate support.
So za mu iya inganta shi ba tare da mun je mun siyo wani kayayyaki a waje ba.
Solar powered fan, telephone that do not use recharge cards are also some of the items the young Adamu is trying his hands on in search of better life for humanity.
Ba tare da kayi wani recharge na kati ko wani SIM ba.
You do not need recharge cards or SIM to use my newly developed phone. You need to only charge and it can work within the range of half a kilometer.
Most great ideas begin like joke. It requires consistency and support to take such inventions to the height of influence in providing support for human endeavors. Umaru Kirawa, reporting for News Central TV, Potiskum.